My name is Gabe Snyder. I'm one of the car accident attorneys here at Ward Black Law, and today I'm here to talk to you about medical payments coverage. Medical payments coverage is on your insurance, and it kicks in whenever you're in a car crash and you incur medical expenses. So let's say that you're in a crash and you have a $1,000 bill. If you've got medical payments, all you got to do is submit that to your insurance company, and they'll pay you back the $1,000 on the bill. Now, it's important because they're going to try and say, well, we're only going to pay the amount that you owe, and your health insurance may have paid. Well, that's not right. Don't let them do that. You get them to pay the billed amount. So if you go to Moses Cone here down the street and it's a $1,000 bill, but your health insurance paid $400 and you only owe $600, don't let your medical payments only pay $600. Make them pay the full $1,000, and you get to keep all of it. So medical payments is great for that. The other great thing about medical payments, and one of the things you might be worried about, is asking, Gabe, what happens if I was at fault for the accident? Great news. Medical payments doesn't care. They take it and they pay. If you're in a car crash and you get medical expenses, then your insurance is going to pay it. And so I usually encourage my clients to think about getting medical payment coverage in an amount that equals their deductible on their health insurance. So let's say you've got a $5,000 deductible. I would get $5,000 in medical payments, because that means that if you're in a car crash and you have to have a surgery or something like that that's costly and you're paying $5,000 out of pocket, well, then you get all that back from your car insurance. So I highly suggest that you get medical payments coverage, and that you get so in an amount that makes you feel comfortable for when something bad happens, and which I hope it never does. But if it does, you'll be covered.